Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a review on the Tati Beauty, the Volume 1 Tati Beauty palette. Oh, so pretty. I've been looking forward to this. I got this as soon as it went on line. Like I was right there. I was waiting for it. And it's so pretty. So it looks like this on the outside. It's cardboard, but it's a good quality, heavy cardboard. It says Tati Beauty on top, Volume 1. You open it up. It's magnetic. You can see, like most palettes are, honestly. You have a big mirror right there. See it? It's huge. And then all of the colors. So it goes, on the bottom you have the name of the color, and on the side here you have the formulation of the color. So it goes from matte to sequins to metallic to glitters. I have used this, I think 2 times. I actually tried to film this already once, but camera died, so doing it again. Let's take 2. So you can see all the colors. They are beautiful, beautiful colors. Very wearable, everyday, neutral colors, which is what the palette's for. But this is a great everyday palette. If you're just starting at makeup and you just want something neutral that has everything you basically need, I highly suggest this because it just has everything you would ever want. You would want the very just plain mattes to play around with, and then you can get into like the glitters. So it's a very well thought out, beautiful palette. It's very well done, and I do hope that when she makes more palettes, that she does it the same layout, the same way, because it's a very unique layout, and I just like it. I love it so well. It's just so well thought out. So let's dive in and get a look going, because I look very odd right now, more than usual. Let's get a look going. Okay, so I'm going to start out with a Morphe M167. Just like that, just a flat brush. I'm going to take Aurora, which is that cream color right there. And I'm going to take the Aurora, I'm going to take it on the matte side. So, if I get a little closer to you. Knock off the excess. Which, I mean, they're powdery, but they're not overly powdery like the like Anastasia Beverly Hills. So that's just something that I like. So I'll put this on the inner third. You can see me. Just to brighten that up. And to prime, I use the MAC Apparently Peapont. Then I'm going to take the shade. I'm going to take this on a... What brush it is? Okay. Take this on a Morphe M505. Just like that. Just a fluffy brush. And I'm going to take the color Soothe, which is this camel color. I'm going to take that, I'm going to just pop this in the crease. So focusing on the outer half, mostly. And they blend so just effortlessly. They go on so smoothly. I don't have any patches. Nothing. It's just so nice. And I love the size of the mirror because it takes up the whole size of the palette. So you have a mirror from edge to edge so you can see your whole face. It fits in. It's not like a little bitty mirror that's in most palettes. So I love that. Then I'm going to take the color, I think I'm going to go with the Ritual, the darker brown, and matte. So far these are all being done in the matte one. I'm going to focus that on the outer edge and deepen the crease. Just like that, and then deeper down. Slow it down on the crease. You can see me. I will say one thing, the palette's heavy. So it's a heavier than what I anticipated it would be because it is in a cardboard type packaging. I thought it was gonna be lighter, like most of them are, but it's a it's a heavier palette than I say what I'm kind of used to. And go back to that Soothe color just to blend the top out. I'm going to take that first brush we used, the Morphe M167 again. And I think, what do you think? I think I'm going to go with Poet, which is that pretty like just maroon color, just plummy color. It's just a really pretty color. And take that in the matte formulation again. And with this color, I think I want to just apply it right, kind of in the center, but on the focusing on the lid. See, it's just like it's so pigmented that you don't need much of any like under brush, because it's so nice. And kind of blend that into the browns on the outer edge. So by doing little tapping motions. This is the Morphe M124. Just a smaller, more detailed brush. And let's try the glitters. I really want to try the Story glitter, which is that more orangey glitter that's right there. I'm going to try that one. So let's try to pick it up on the brush and see if we can. This might go better with your fingers. Well, it's kind of picking up, but it's a pressed glitter, so soft. Yeah, it kind of picks up if you can see that. It's kind of picking it up. So let's go on with that and see if we get fallout. I'm gonna press it in. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful one. Now I will say this. I wish the glitters had a color in the back instead of having it just a glitter. Here, I'll show you. This is the Story glitter. Now I wish that it had a colored base to it instead of just having it be a glitter. I'm just going to press that in to the inner corner. I'm not really getting any fallout because I'm pressing it in, I'm not swiping it. Now what I will say with the glitters, if you want it to have it's going to show your skin color through if you don't have a shadow underneath it. Because these are glitters that don't have any color in them in the background, like as a base. It's just the glitters. So if you want to put down the color Story as the matte and then put the glitters over top, it will be you won't be able to see your skin color underneath it. That's just a sort of what. It's a very pretty glitter. It's not really falling out too much. It's picking it up nicely with this kind of dense small brush. I don't think you could be able to use it with like a pencil brush. I don't think it's not firm enough to pick it up. And it's not just like an orange. It has like I think I saw like a green kind of shift in it too. So it's not just like the one color. It has different colored glitters in it as well. But the majority of it is that orangey kind of a color. Okay. I think that's good. Now, what I do want to do. I'm going to take some of the Story in the metallic one. So that's going to be right underneath the glitter. I'm going to tap that right in between the glitter and the matte Poet color. Just to add a different kind of texture to it, so it's not just matte and glitter. So I don't like that. I like this because you can do something super simple with just like Aurora. Put Aurora on the lid and then just put some of the Soothe in the crease and you're good to go. Or you can use something really, kind of colorful with Poet and Story and kind of create something like that. Or you can do just a simple smoky eye with the Memory color. So you can do something like that. So you have different options. It's not just it's just do something simple. You can do something creative with this but yet still have it be where you can do something simple. So it's a good palette to have in your collection in order to do that. Or if you're starting out, it's a great palette to start with. Now, I do want to try. Okay, so we have Memory, Ritual. I don't remember the color names. Story. And Soothe. First 4. And then you have Aurora and Poet. You have Poet and Aurora, which you can't really tell because it's just a cream color. So those are all the colors. Now that black color, that's one swipe. That is pretty darn black. You can see that. So these are all beautiful colors. Let's finish this makeup look first. Time for my final thoughts. This palette, I 100% recommend it to anyone from makeup lovers to beginners. This palette is a must-have. I can see myself using this time and time again, from going to work to going out and with my friends to just anything. It's just a great palette. I don't have to overthink it. Everything's here that I need. It's amazing. It's just a great palette to have. And I 100% recommend it to anyone who thought, I don't know, let's see, it's expensive. It is expensive. But what palette isn't these days? No palette is going to be $30. So if you, it's worth the money, in my opinion. The quality is fantastic. The makeup inside is fantastic. It's just, I 100% recommend this palette to anyone. When it's back in stock, I would 100% jump on it and I would get this palette. So, thank you for watching, and please thumbs up this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel.